channel, and today we are going to get into one of my shirts that I made, and I'm going to go ahead and bling it out. Let me go ahead and show y'all. This is a shirt of my sister. I created and designed it, and this is what she wanted on the back, and it's also on the front. But as you can see, she has some jewelry on, so we're gonna go ahead and bling that jewelry off. And if you're interested in seeing how I do this and how this shirt comes out, just stay tuned and watch, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it.
There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here from smoking on this weed. Told him don't take a shot on 3. Told him drinks is on me. Yeah, drinks are on me. He said now go and take a shot on me. Only drug a bitch is on is the tree. But I lasted 10 rounds like a freak, like a G.
There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.